Hey TTC family, and welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to be learning on how to write and spell the word dog. So the word dog has 3 letters, and those letters are D, O, G. And D, O, G spells the word dog. Now I want you guys to spell it with me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. D-O-G spells the word dog. Nice job. Let's go ahead and do that one more time together, friends. D-O-G spells the word dog. Perfect. Now we're going to move on to writing the word dog. So the first letter in dog is D. Our second letter is O. And our third letter is G. And D-O-G spells the word dog. Nice job. We're going to do it again. So we know our first letter is D. After D, we have O. And after O, we have G. And D-O-G spells what word, friends? Correct. D-O-G spells the word dog. Now I want to do it one last time with you guys. So our first letter is D. Our second letter is O. And then, what's our third letter? Miss T forgot the third letter in dog. Let's think about that. What is our third letter, TTC family? Correct. The third letter in dog is G. And D-O-G spells the word dog. Perfect job, friends. You guys did an amazing job learning on how to spell and write the word dog. Now I have a challenge for you guys to do at home. I want you to spell the word dog and then also write the word dog after watching this video. So let's challenge ourselves and see if you can watch this video first, then spell and write the word dog all on your own. All right, friends, bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, TTC family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.